Okay guys, I've got a new project and this is a microwave that the door will not stay closed. So something is broken somewhere, and also a little hair dryer, but it seems if only this moving switch is off, broken off, so that might be an easy one, but this one is something else. So let me investigate and bring you back and see what we can do. Okay guys, it seems if you see that black part there and there, it seems if it needs to go up and catch on this levers here. So I'll need to take off the top cover and see if maybe a spring is broken or something. Okay, that's what I've seen now. I'll bring it back. Okay guys, we are going in. I could take off a few screws. Okay, this is the whole cover right around. Let me just put it aside and then we can look. Okay guys, here is the assembly. It is that part. So I'm not sure if it works electric, because there is wiring going to it, but I doubt if it is electric. The electrics there is only when you open the door, it will shut the machine down. But I think the close of it is mechanical, because you must be able to close the door even if the power is off. So somewhere there is something broken or what, so I'll bring you back again. Okay guys, something is strange. You can see, you see there, this is the door handle that came in, that point there, and then you see on the top is a red micro switch, and it will push it in, and then it goes towards the one beneath. There's another one, but the door stay in now. And I lift it up, so it seems if something can be out of whack. Let's see why it won't focus, because then it is bad. Okay, so I believe, I think I must go and put power on now and see if it will run and if it will stop. If it do not, it might be that that point must press on that micro switch as well. So something is not very fresh there. So let me put power on. Okay guys, there's power on, and there's no lights on in front. So let's put the time on something, and then set there it switch, but it doesn't run. So let us, with the isolated screwdriver, try and press on that red micro switch and see if it will run. Okay, it will not. Okay, let us, and I think I see the fan just want to run. Okay, let me see if I can get it. There it is. It need to be, sorry guys, it need to be pressed hard. Okay, seems if it must be a kind of a adjustment or something. And the door is stay close. So it seems like alignments, guys. I will see what I can do and bring you back. Okay guys, for some reason that black part does not press hard enough on the bottom micro switch so that it don't run, but it stay now in place, but it will not switch it on. So either something moved, but I can't see how, because everything is a unit, and the black part doesn't seem if it broke off. So I'll have to think and see what I can do. Okay guys, I think I found the problem. You see this? Inside here must be a spring that pull down these two catches, because now it is free floating, and when you close it, you will see it will come in there, and now it does not press on the micro switch, but there is space for them to move. If I can come in to show you, you seen that movement? There's a spring that must ensure that that point press on the micro switch. So there's no setting or anything I can do to get this higher. There's nothing broken on that point. It is only a matter of there's no spring that can press it off down. And therefore I need to try and open inside here to see if there is a kind of a spring inside. I'm very sure that is off. So I'm going to try and open this, but this will be difficult, I believe. Okay guys, my table is now very busy. I still need to see how can I go into that. But in the meantime, I opened the hair dryer, and it is this sliding switch that only broke off from the switch there. So I'll remove, I've opened it already, so I'll just open it there, lift it off and see if I can glue it back or something. Okay my friends, I found the problem. I removed this inner part of the door. It just clipped off, and there is our problem. It's sit now on this side. You see this part? It sit just there, like that. Sorry, like that. You see it's loose, that is why it as it was. And then here is a spring. The spring sit there, and there is a plastic piece that broke off. So all I need to do is find a new place for the spring to latch, and I think I've got a place. Maybe something there. There's a piece of, let's see if we can focus. There's a piece of metal that we can maybe hook it onto. So let me see what I can do and bring you back. Okay guys, I made a plan. I took the same spring, and I took here a little a small bolt, and there was a space between a thick rubber that was the hooking point of the spring and the body, and I screw in this little bolt with that part of the spring around it, and it got a nice spring action now, and let's test it. Let me just put it off. Okay, let's put it on. Cool. And it opens snug. Okay, my friends, I think I'm just going to put this back and then confirm it works, and then this was a win. Okay guys, just the last confirmation. Everything is back together. Cool. Alright my friends, hope you like this video, and see you on the next one. I will repair the little hairdryer tomorrow. That's just a piece of plastic. Hope you like the videos. See you on the next one. Bye bye.